All right, CES 2026, this is WindBillion, and today I'm talking to Henry. Let's just go ahead and see what we got going on here.
Hi, so yeah, basically this is a very portable fan that personally I love. And I'm not just saying it because I'm with the company.
Right.
I actually first bought this as a consumer from Walmart.
Oh, okay.
And the instant I did, I really loved it.
Yeah.
And one big reason I say I love this fan is because it's basically noiseless. The fan that I owned before buying this one was really noisy. Just 1 month into using it, it got so much noisier than when I first bought it that I couldn't hear my friend talking to me when she stands next to me. This one is completely different.
Yeah.
I put it next to my ear, I couldn't hear anything.
Yeah. That is remarkably quiet, astoundingly quiet actually. I personally would really love to have that just because any noise in the bedroom is really distracting for me. So if we do have oscillation, what else do we have?
This lasts about 37 hours.
37 hours?
So
wow.
You can really go a long time without charging.
That's incredible.
So you can bring it to camping or like
Sure.
hiking, whatever. And it's very light.
Very light.
It's
Yeah.
like I can carry like many of these.
Okay.
And it's very portable. It can collapse all the way down to. So you can collapse it like this.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool.
Just put it inside this and just grab it as you go.
I've seen fans that will go up and down. I've never seen one that actually folds like that. That's a first for me. There's a lot of impressive things about this fan. Actually, quiet, very compact if you wanted to. Like for me, when I want to put a fan in my garage, something like that, I got to find a spot for it. That is really tiny. It actually puts out a lot of wind. So that was on level 1. How many speeds do we got on that guy?
We have 5 speeds on this one. Breezy to like very strong.
Okay. I love it, man. That is actually very nice technology. I'm probably going to be looking to get one of those. And we have a heater. Okay. Well, tell me about the heater.
360 degrees.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So it's not just like one side, right? And it also has this beautiful fashionable light.
Yeah.
If you can just turn off the heater and just use it as light.
Yeah, for sure. No, that actually is, as far as little heaters go, that is a very elegant looking heater. How many watts will this thing use? Is there different levels?
1,600, yeah.
Okay, 1,600 watts. How many heating levels are there?
3.
So we got 3 heating levels and very nice look. Is there tip over protection on it?
Yes, there is.
Okay, excellent. All right, hey, this has been actually pretty interesting for me. I do appreciate it. You have an excellent day, Alex.
Thank you, you too.
Right on.